Okay, this video is titled The Distributive Property of Multiplication. Again, take the time to write this stuff down as you see it. Feel free to pause it in order to catch up. So basically how this works is you're given an algebraic expression in what we call factored form. You are going to expand this expression by using multiplication, and what do you know? It's called expanded form. The equal sign means that they are equivalent expressions. They are the same quantity. However, they just look different. A key aspect of the distributive property is to honor the operator, and I will explain to you what that means in a sec. So remember to honor the operator. Again, pause it if you need to catch up. So here we're going to take this expression in factored form. It is 2 times the quantity n plus 3. 2 times the quantity n plus 3. So in the distributive property of multiplication, you are going to multiply this term by the first term in the parentheses. 2 times n is 2n. You're going to honor the operator, which is plus. You're then going to multiply the 2 times the second term, which is 3. 2 times 3, which is 6. Your final expression is 2n plus 6. This is called expanded form. Feel free to rewind it or pause it, or if you want to catch up, go ahead and pause it right now. Alright, I've now provided some practice problems for you. Here they are. Go ahead and copy these down. Right now would be an excellent time to pause the video to give you a chance to get them all down. When you're done copying them down, give yourself a few minutes to try and solve them yourself. I will then reveal the answers to you after you unpause the video. Okay, so by now you've unpaused the video and you are waiting for the answers. So let's go ahead and do these together. Negative 3 times the quantity n minus 4 is negative 3 times n, which is negative 3n. Negative 3 times negative 4. So a lot of kids will get lost here because they'll say, well, you told us to honor the operator. Okay, well, fine. We'll go ahead and do that. Minus. All right. So negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Now, we all know from 7th grade math that minus is actually plus. So you can rewrite that as negative 3n plus 12. That's your answer. Negative 3n plus 12. All right, second one. Negative 2 times the quantity n plus 6. Negative 2 times n is negative 2n. Negative 2 times positive 6 is negative 12. Negative 2n minus 12. There you go. And our last one for the video is negative 5 times the quantity n minus 1. Negative 5 times n is negative 5n. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. So you'll see I actually showed you a shortcut. I mean, you still need to honor the operator as we did up here, but essentially what I'm doing is I'm skipping a step because I'm kind of banking on the fact that you understand that a negative times a negative is a positive. Here, a negative times a positive is a negative. And again, a negative times a negative is a positive. All right, feel free to rewind the tape, or rewind the video, excuse me, if you want to, try these again. If not, if you're confident with the distributive property of multiplication, give yourself a pat on the back. Congratulations, you have just learned the distributive property of multiplication. All right, thanks for watching. This is Mr. Abero. Take care.